It's another wonderful day, guys. Dito ako nakabili ng murang second hand na sasakyan, kaya every week sinasamahan ko kayo, aking viewers, na makahanap din ng inyong pinapangarap na sasakyan. In this episode, Toyota Hilux Conquest, Mitsubishi Triton, Mitsubishi Montero Sport, Mitsubishi Expanders, 100,000 range na sedan, meron. Ford Everest, ang ganda ng gulong, BF Goodrich KO2. Nissan Navara, Toyota Avanza, Toyota Vios, Toyota Race, Mitsubishi X-Force, Isuzu na reefer van, pang negosyo, cold storage. All for this week's episode. Kaya tara, hanap na tayo. Let's do this!
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
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 We are at 109 Marcos Alvarez Avenue, Talon 1, Las Piñas City, stockyard ng Security Bank. Up for bid this week. Dami nagpapahanap nito, guys. This is a Toyota Race. Check ko lang aking listahan. Ayun. This is a 2025 Toyota Race 1.0 Turbo CVT automatic transmission. Damaged right rear door and right front door. Turquoise mica. Metallic black color. 7,531 mileage. Non-NCR registered. Letter H. Gas engine 672,000 minimum bid price. Di pa nagpop ang tow hitch. Uy, may sensors and camera pala to dito sa may ano, fog lamps. Ha ha ha. Kanyang plate. Front grille, front fascia, buong buo, walang gasgas, walang bangga. Gulong niya around, mababa pa lang mileage, guys eh. This is just around 7,500 mileage. 95% red life, naka-stock mugs and stock tires pa ito ng Dunlop and Save. Left side panels makinis, two-tone, no? Pogi pala ng turquoise blue color. Yan, makapal pa yung gulong niya. Turbo, chrome door handles. (205/60 R17 tires. Yan yung bagay na bagay dito sa parang compact SUV na sasakyan. Shark fin antennas. Rear wiper, 2-eyed sensors, rear cam na high definition. Maayos na unit, guys, oh. Walang gasgas, walang bangga. Wala akong nakikitang major scratches. Kinis pa to. Konting buffing lang. Car wash na may kasamang wax. Very nice unit. Almost perfect ang exteriors. This is a 2025 Toyota Race 1.0 Turbo CVT automatic transmission. Damage right rear door and right front door. Ayun pala, hindi tayo nagpunta dito sa right side. Ayun nga, guys, oh. So binabawi ko na, hindi siya almost perfect exterior. As you can see, yung major bangga niya and malalim na scratch to. Medyo nayupi hanggang dun sa passenger door, pero matindi yung tama nitong right side na front door. So papa-repair nyo yan, latero. Around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. Pwede na yan. Back to original na yan. Turquoise mica, metallic black color. Sort of two-tone siya guys. Maganda, pogi. 7,500. 31 lang ang mileage. Non-NCR registered. Gas engine, 672,000 minimum bid price. Brand new nito, nasa 1 million pesos pa. So around 40%, 30+% ang naibawas sa brand new price. May mileage lang na around 7,000. May malalim na scratch. Kaya ayun, sa halagang 400,000, sulit na ba ang kaltas sa kanya? Up next, Toyota Vios 313,522. 313 ba, pero meron din guys, flash ko na lang on your screens. There's another Toyota Vios blackish red mica, 53,000 mileage, 363,000 lang minimum bid price, non-NCR registered, 2023. 457. Hindi rin ito eh. Dahil nandito na tayo, daanan na rin natin itong Kia Sonet. This is a 2024 Kia Sonet 1.5 EX automatic transmission, damaged hood. Ayun nga oh. White pearl color, 11,536 mileage, non-NCR registered, letter F. Gas engine, 584,000 minimum bid price. Yan yung declared damage na guys. Merong bangga sa hood. Manong latero, kayang-kaya mo ito. Pag hood guys, tsaka bakal yan na mabigat eh. They usually ask around 8,000 to 10,000 pesos to paint and to revert it back to its original form. Oo, na-deform na rin dito. Matras na oh. So yan yung mga kino-consider natin pag nagbibid tayo guys. So gulong niya around 11,000 mileage, 90% pa yan. Solus, stock mugs and stock tires pa. Right side panels, makinis. Terrain visors. May mini roof rail. Mini roof rail pero caution, do not load. Shark fin antenna, rear wiper. 2-eyed sensors. High definition camera. Rear cams. Compact SUV rin ito guys ng Kia. Korean car. Hindi siya Chinese. Marami ring features. Gas engine syempre. Sa insides, wala akong nakikitang soil stains. Soil stain ang basehan natin guys. Kung binaha, kita mo yan, mahirap ipatanggal yung soil stains. Wala kayong magagastos. Pag pinatanggal mo, interior detailing around 4,000 to 5,000 pesos yan. Stock tires and mugs pa lahat ng gulong. Makinis naman lahat ng panels. Ito lang talaga ang honest issue declared by Security Bank. Last look. This is a 2024 Kia Sonet 1.5 EX automatic transmission, damage hood. Ayan, pinakita natin. Pinapakita natin yan, mga honest issues guys, during our rounds every week sa ating mga car stockyard vlogs. White pearl color, 11,536 mileage. Non-NCR registered gas engine, 584,000 na lang minimum bid price. Brand new nito around 1 million to 1.1 million. Tuloy tayo dito sa iba pang Toyota units. Kasi area to ng Toyota, guys. Cluster ng Toyota cars itong pinuntahan natin. Ito yung color blue. Ayun na pa. Ito ang napakaraming nagpapahanap. Tumaas man o bumaba ang presyo ng diesel, most sought after pickup in the entire Philippines pa rin. 2024 Toyota Hilux Conquest V 2.4 liter automatic transmission, super white 2 color, 28,977 mileage, non-NCR registered, JAJ 9548 ang plate. Diesel engine, 1,160,250 minimum bid price. Ayan, no declared issue. Wow. Bridgestone Dweller, stock tires and mugs. Medyo may mga discoloration at gas-gas na ang kanyang mugs. Pare-paint nyo na lang. 2-eyed sensors sa front cameras, sensors for that Hilux, cruise control, push button to open, rain visors, mini roof rail, sports bar, pick up bed. 10 out of 10 aesthetics dahil napaka kinis. City driving lang, pampapogi lang, hindi kinakargahan ng heavy load. Rear cams, 4-eyed sensors, check. Napaka-pogi talaga nitong Hilux Conquest. Why so pogi? V pa pala to. This is one of the top variants. Makapal lahat ng gulong, makinis lahat ng anggulo, walang mahanap ang masiselan. Ayun lang. Sorry guys, I spoke too soon. Merong malalim na hiwa, scratch, kinakalawang na, light scratches din fenders. Other than that, nothing, no other issues. Light scratches lang, may mahabang hiwa sa bandang kanan. The rest is very nice and very good. This is a 2024 Toyota Hilux Conquest V 2.4 liter automatic transmission, super white 2 color, 28,977 lang ang mileage. Non-NCR registered, diesel engine, 1,160,250 pesos minimum bid price. This is the Toyota Vios, up for bid this week. Toyota Vios 2023 Toyota Vios XLE CVT automatic transmission, dead battery, grayish blue mica metallic color, 42,565 mileage, 122 conduction sticker check, non-NCI registered. Gas engine, 336,000 pesos minimum bid price. Napalitan na ang tires guys, sa bagay 42,000 mileage naman. Puro bingkong din ang mugs. Yan o, madalas mag-gutter si kuya or ate driver sa harap. Rear tires, Yokohama stock tires and mugs pa rin. Yung harap lang medyo manipis na siguro kaya pinapalitan na. 4-eyed sensors and rear cams. Wow, very good. Ang bait naman ng agent nito sa Pampanga, San Fernando, Pampanga. Maraming salamat po. Napakabait ng agent pala dyan. Shark fin antenna. Yung iba kasi 2-eyed sensors lang ang binibigay na freebie. Sa Pampanga pala, 4-eyed sensor ang binibigay oh. Light scratches, bumpers, right side. Sa loob, no signs naman na binaha. Walang major soil stains sa seats and sa floor carpets. Light scratches here, scratches there, minor scratches lang. So yun, alam nyo na kung saan ginamit to. Na dead bat guys, posibleng ano lang yan, patagal lang dito sa stockyard. Matagal nakuha ang court order. Syempre, palit battery na yan kung kukunin ninyo. Pero ipapastart naman nila yan dito. Loloadan nila ng bagong battery para mag-start. Then kung saan may malapit na battery shop, punta na lang kayo doon, bilhan nyo ng bagong battery. This is a 2023 Toyota Vios XLE CVT automatic transmission, dead battery, grayish blue mica metallic, 42,565 mileage, non-NCR registered, San Fernando, Pampanga, letter C. Gas engine, 336,000 na lang oh. Minimum bid price. Yan. Tuloy tayo dito. And makikita nyo na rin yung iba pang mga Toyota units up for bid in the upcoming weeks. Innova High Ace Commuter Deluxe oh. Abangan natin yan in the upcoming weeks. Hilux Conquest, abangan natin din yan in the upcoming weeks. Cool lang mga sir at ma'am, dahil di lahat ito up for bidding one time. Ini-schedule nila to, ni-i-schedule nila. Yan, may Toyota tama raw, Hilux din dito. Yan. May isa rin up for bid this week guys, Toyota Avanza, greenish gun mica metallic color, 12,000 mileage, non-NCR registered, gas engine, 625,600, 2025 unit yan guys. Dito lang yan. Ayan, kapareho nito. More Toyota units up for bid this week. Lumabas eh, kaharang yung parking. More Toyota units, LAL. This is a 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, blackish red mica color, 53,338 mileage, non-NCR registered, gas engine, 363,800 minimum bid price. Yan, pogi oh. Fog lamps, Yokohama stock tires and lamps. Pero medyo manipis na. Around 70% red life. Left side panels, makinis, shark's fin antenna. Uy, walang rear sensors at rear cams. Kasi nga 2023. Oo, hindi pa sila nagbibigay ng free during that time. Late 2024 na nagbigay si Toyota ng 2-eyed sensors at rear cams and a free. Nakisabay sila sa trend ng mga China cars na high-tech ang features. Iba tong talsik na to, nabubura o hindi? Ayun, nabubura naman guys. Kaya kailangan talaga ng due diligence. Kayo mismo ang titingin or manood kayo ng mga vlogs para makita nyo yung mga honest issues. Kasi kung isang tingin mong ganyan, di ba? Isipin mo, naku, pintura to, major painting. Pero hindi naman pala. Mancha lang, talsik lang ng putik. Yun, heavily tinted lang guys. Ewan ko kung maaninag natin kung may soil stains. Ayun, naaninag naman. Parang wala namang soil stains. Markings kasi yun na indicator kung binaha ang isang sasakyan kung maraming soil stains. Last look. This is a non-NCR registered Toyota Vios 2023 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, blackish red mica color, 53,338 mileage, gas engine 363,800, minimum bid price 900,000 ang brand new price nito guys. Yeah, more Toyota Vios up for bid this week. This is a 2026, bagong bago pala to, TCD 9802 2026 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, no declared issue, super red 5 color, 5,157 lang mileage, Silang Cavite registered unit. Gas engine 572,050, minimum bid price from 900,000, brand new price. Fog lamps check. Di pa nagpap ang tow hitch, running unit to. May RFID. Ang kapal ng gulong at ng mugs, ang ganda oh, Yokohama. Stock tires and stock mugs. DOT 2025. This is a 18560 R15. Ganda ng red, pogi. Ganda pala ng mga bagong mugs ng Vios, no? Two-tone na, parang 80. 2-eyed sensors, rear cam. Nalaglag yung isang ilaw sa plate. Toyota Silang Cavite. Shark's fin antenna na. Basic talaga ang Vios, pero taas ng resale value kasi nga mura magpa-repair, mura ang parts, lahat ng mekaniko ito ang kilala at napagpraktisan. Last look on a brand new 2026 slightly used, 5,000 lang mileage, Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE CVT automatic transmission, super red 5 color, 5,157 mileage, non-NCR registered, Silang Cavite. Gas engine 572,050 pesos, minimum bid price. Along with the other Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bidding din this week. Flash ko na lang on your screens habang hinahanap natin yung iba pang units na up for bid na hindi natin nahanap. Yan, flashing on your screens yung mga Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Yan, dami dito guys, oh. Bisitahin nyo sila, pili na lang kayo kung anong kulay ang gusto nyo, anong klaseng makina, ilan ang mileage. 776, nandito ka ba? Mirage G4 na 776 ang plate. Check, eto si 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 JLX 1.2 GCVT automatic transmission, deep scratches on front bumper and rear bumper, cold silver metallic, 32,449 mileage, and CR registered, gas engine 349,600, minimum bid price. Bezel lang dahil GLX2 RFIDs. Yun, light scratches nga sa front bumper, kapal pa ang gulong, around 85% thread life, makinis right side panels, left side panels. Yun, bumper lang, scratches here and scratches there. Yan oh, stock mugs and stock tires pa sa loob. No signs na binaha. Very nice unit. Exteriors okay pa, light scratches lang. I would say 9 out of 10 pa ang exteriors nito. Last look, 9776. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2 GCVT automatic transmission, deep scratches on front bumper and rear bumper, cold silver metallic 32,449. Gas engine 349,600 minimum bid price. Ayan. Flash ko pa yung iba na Mitsubishi Mirage up for bid din this week. Ayan. Ito nyo naman. Dami dito. Iikot lahat yan ni Tito Rich para sa inyo every week. Kaya pwede kayo manood-nood muna, window shopping muna tayo. Tapos pag may pang bid ka na, go! And alam mo na rin yung mga minimum bid price at mga issues na kayang-kaya naman pala ipa-repair. 5103, are you here? 5103 is a 2026. Poging-pogi, oh. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2 GCVT automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors Financing Philippines, damaged right rear fender, right rear door, titanium gray metallic color, 11,970 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 512,000 minimum bid price. Bezel GLS lang ang may fog lamps, kapal pa ng stock tires and mugs. Pogi yan, 2026, so two-tone na yung mugs. Antenna mahaba, yan ang gusto natin. Scratches here, light scratches there. Fenders daw may scratch. Ayun nga, oh, may mga dents, scratches rin sa bumper. Very minor. Dami ng 2026 dito, oh. Makikita mo sa mugs, eh. Ito ang grabe. Kano na lang kaya ipapabid to, guys? Baka 100 plus na lang yan. Kung kaya nyo mag-restore, pwede. Why not, diba? Kung nag-e-enjoy kayo na nakikita na warak-warak, tapos kayo ang nagpapaayos at nagpapaganda, yung iba, yung dopamine rush nila, doon nila na-achieve, eh. Kaya nag-enjoy sila sa ganun. Yun, last look. This is 5103 na aking payong. 5103 is a 2026 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX 1.2 G CVT automatic transmission, damaged right rear fender and right rear door, titanium gray metallic color, 11,970 mileage, NCR registered, gas engine, 512,000 minimum bid price. 900,000 na yan, guys, ha. 800 to 900,000 na, guys. Kasi wala nang subsidy from the government ang Vios at Mirage starting 2026 as approved by your president. Yan, flash ko na lang on the screens, guys, yung iba pang units na up for bid this week. May na-miss out pala ako ditong SUV. Gusto nyo pa ba ng isang SUV? May Mitsubishi Montero Sport pa dito. Grabe, naka-injury nitong payong ko. Puro amor seco, putol-putol na yung may presyo pa. SUV, you want some more? Here's more. This is a Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2024 Black Series 2.4D 2-wheel drive automatic transmission, jet black mica color, 35,268 mileage, NCR registered, diesel engine, 1,203,500 minimum bid price. Ayan, pogi-pogi naman, eh, oh. Light scratches lang, bilis lang talaga dumihin itong black. Gulong Dunlop Grand Trek, stock tires and mugs pa yan. Blacky di black. 4-eyed sensors sa front, high definition cameras, and sensing para sa push button to open but we cannot open. Four-eyed sensor sa rear cams, rear wipers, spoilers, shark's fin antenna, makinis din dito. Ito lang pala. Natatanggal naman. Right side panels, makinis na unit. Cruise control na yata tong camera niya guys. So, sensors and cruise control na rin. Yun, may dalawang RFIDs. Very pogi na unit. Pogi na nga yung mags niyan, pero yung iba nagpapalit pa ng mas pogi na mags. SUV up for bid this week. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Montero Sport Black Series 2.4 diesel, 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission, jet black mica color, 36,268 mileage, NCR registered na, diesel engine, 1,203,500 pesos minimum bid price. Feature na rin natin guys yung mga MG and Kia na up for bid this week. Ayan, hindi natin to na isa-isa, wala naman nagre-request sa inyo. Ayan, may mga Honda rin tayong na sasagip sa ating video. Abangan natin yan in the upcoming weeks. Honda BRV, Honda City, Stargazer, marami na rin dito. Yan yung mga MG na up for bidding this week. Flashing on your screens the details on your screens. Puro Mitsubishi talaga ang pinakamarami guys. Ito pa, may mga MG. Wala na nadadagdag sa mga MG baka wala nang bumibili rin, kaya wala nang nare-repo na MG units. Yan, flashing on your screens guys the details of the MG units up for bidding this week. Wow, pogi nito Honda, bago. White color Honda City. Yung City ngayon mukhang Civic. Yung City mukhang Civic na. Ito pa yung mga MG guys. Up for bidding this week yan. MG. Mitsubishi Expander guys, 7-seater pang pamilya, up for bidding din ito this week. Very nice unit. Check ko lang details. Where are the details? Ayun, 2974 ang plaka. This is a 2026. Uy, sariwang-sariwa pala, bagong salta. Mitsubishi Expander GLS mid variant ito guys, 1.5G 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors financing, galing green bronze metallic, 5,656 mileage, NCR registered na, gas engine, 840,000 minimum bid price from 1.3 million, brand new price. Gulong, ang ganda pala nung 2026. So Hankook ang tires, 80% red life. Ganda two-tone na yung mags Chrome linings, daytime running lights, hindi pa nag-pop ang tow hitch. Ang ganda ng camera, high definition yan guys. CR registered na, 2 RFIDs. Ganda rin ng Hankook na gulong, 205/55 R17, Perfect na yan, pang 7-seaters. Push button to open. Sa loob, ang ganda ng infotainment system. Manibela. Wala ring signs ng soil stains, so hindi siya binaha. Shark fin antenna. Aquila Daddy Mami Calais. Shout out sa inyo kung nanonood kayo. Minsan may mga repo owners, no, na nanonood, then nagko-comment. Kaya basahin nyo yung mga comments, guys. Minsan matutuwa kayo. Tulad nung isa na repo yung Toyota Fortuner nung kapitbahay nila. Alam niya, oh, kilala niya yung plate. Nag-comment siya, binahayan dito sa tabing bahay namin. NCR registered na. Mitsubishi Abad Santos ang agent. Meron ng high definition rear cams. Dinagdagan pa ni first owner ng isang camera. Hindi siya kontento. Oo nga naman, dalawa ang mata natin. Gusto niya dalawa rin ang mata sa likod ng kanyang sasakyan. Walang gasgas, guys. Walang soil stain. Makinis lahat ng panels. Ang ganda nung ano niya, oh. Steering wheel cover. Very nice unit. In and out. Wala akong nakitang major issues. High-tech pala nitong 2026. Ang laki na ng camera, oh. Not sure kung pang cruise control na rin to, pero very nice and looks like high definition yung cameras. Baka nga 4K pa yan. Last look. This is a 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS. Push button ito, guys. 1.5G 2-wheel drive automatic transmission. Green bronze metallic color. 5,656 mileage. NCR registered gas engine. 840,000 minimum bid price. Tuloy tayo. Saan pa may up for bidding? Cover natin yan this week. Yan, may mga Toyota Wigo pa dito. Mirage hatchback. Vios, marami. Nissan Urban. Maraming Mitsubishi L300. Flash ko na lang on your screens, guys, yung mga Mitsubishi L300s. Up for bid yan this week. Showing to you. Yan, may Hyundai Stargazer. Toyota Innova. Dami nagpapahanap yan. Abangan natin yan, guys, so in the upcoming weeks. Flashing on your screens. Up for bid the Mitsubishi L300s this week. Andyan na. Mileage, presyo, issues kung meron man, as well as the minimum bid price. 417A. Ito pala yung hinahanap natin kanina. Wala dun sa cluster ng Toyota. Naligaw siya dito sa cluster na ng mga Hyundai. Ito na ba yon? Ito na nga, guys. This is the 2025 Toyota Avanza E CVT 1.3L automatic transmission, greenish gun metallic mica metallic color, 12,064 mileage, non-NCR registered gas engine, 625,600 minimum bid price. Yan, makapal pa naman yung galong, oh. Dunlop and a save. This is a 18565 R15. R15, no, maliit. Dapat mga 16, 17 pag ano eh. Pag 7-seater. Tinipid. Veloz kasi yung talagang nilagyan nila ng magagandang features. Ito yung medyo trimmed down to get that price point na affordable for many Filipinos. 2-eyed sensors in the rear. Rear cams. Rear wipers, shark fin antenna, makinis ang kanyang likuran. Left side panels, makinis din. Toyota Innova E. Silipin natin kung may soil stains. Wala. Ayos na unit. May plastic pa infotainment system, pati mga visors. Rain visors, check. Merong RFID. Single RFID naman na tayo ngayon, kaya pwede na yan. Yun, light scratches lang dito sa front bumper. Pwede pa sa maselan. Maayos na unit guys. Light scratches, very unnoticeable. Last look on this Toyota Avanza 2025 E CVT 1.3L, 1.3 liter yan engine, automatic transmission, greenish grand metal, mica metallic, 12,064 lang ang mileage. Non-NCR registered, letter D. Gas engine, 625,600 minimum bid price from 1 million pesos na brand new price. 400,000 almost ang naibawas sa kanyang presyo. Okay, tingnan natin baka nandito yung Montero Sport at yung Triton na up for bidding this week. SUVs na mga up for bid naman tayo this week. Napaka-pogi naman ito. Parang gusto ko i-bid. Ang ganda ng gulong. BF Goodrich KO2. My God. 2023 Ford Everest 2.0 liter Sport. Next gen 4x2 6-speed automatic transmission. Absolute black color, 13,307.9 mileage. May 0.9 pa, no? Ganun ka-accurate talagang measurements ng odometer ni Ford. NCR registered na diesel engine, 1,228,000 pesos and 400 minimum bid price from around 1.8 to 2 million pesos brand new price ito guys. Gulong pa lang nito 60,000 pesos na. BF Goodrich all terrain KO2. Oh my God, ang pogi-pogi mo. 285/70 R17. Dito lang tayo nakakapagsabi na ang pogi-pogi mo guys. Pag mga kotse na pick up at mga SUV. 4-eyed sensors. Meron din itong front cameras and cruise control sensors. Dual turbo na rin ito. Kaya lang dahan-dahan dahil baka biglang mag-overheat. Stepboard solid na solid. All black. Blackity black. Ang bango ng leather seats. No signs of soil stains and binaha guys. Ang ganda talaga ng interior nito. Third row seats. Conduction plate pa oh. Infotainment system. That's a 12-inch infotainment system. May plastic pa ang kanyang mga visors. Aircon vents. Lahat ng passenger tigisa. Ang ganda ng leather seats. Ang bango rin. Ang bango-bango mo. Ang pogi-pogi mo pa. Ang bango na, pogi pa. Ang ganda talaga ng gulong. This is the best tires guys that you can buy for your SUV talaga oh. BF Goodrich all terrain KO2. May KO3 pa yan, mas bago. 4-eyed sensors sa rear. High definition cameras, rear wipers. Ang pinaka-paborito kong antena, yan ang solid, mahaba. Pag antena ang pinag-uusapan, palakihan yan at pahabaan. Huwag kayong maniwala sa it's the Performance, wala. Pahabaan talaga yan, guys. Lahat ng gulong, ang pogi, ang kapal, 99% tread life. Interiors, pristine. My God! Kasa maintained pa to, guys, oh. Ford Marilao. Sorry, Ford Marikina. Ano? Kasa maintained pa, guys. Ayan, nagising sa akin. Sport edition. Ayan, may lagayan pa dito ng mga cards, oh. It's so pogi. Ang pogi. Ano yata ang pinaka-pogi na unit up for bid this week. So na ang magsa-certify sa kanyang kapogihan, kabanguhan. Everything you desire on a brand new unit at a lesser price. This is a 2023 Ford Everest 2.0 Sport Next 4x2 6-speed automatic transmission, absolute black, 13,307.9 mileage, NCR registered na diesel engine, 1,228,400 pesos. Minimum bid price from 1.8 million yan, guys, to 2 million ang brand new nyan. Tuloy tayo dito sa isa pang 7-seater. Up for bid din ito this week. Isa pang Mitsubishi Xpander 2025 ito, guys. GLS 1.5G 2-wheel drive automatic. Mitsubishi Motors financing, recovered ang unit. Scratches on the bumper and fender, graphite gray metallic color, 19,363 mileage. Non-NCR registered, gas engine, 643,200. Minimum bid price from 1.3 million, brand new price. Gulong around 80% tread life, Goodyear, sorry, Dunlop, and a save. Chrome door handles, push button to open. No signs of soil stains. Plastic pa ang kanyang visors. Buong infotainment system. May rear cameras, rear wipers, shark fin antenna. Pampapogi lang yan. No scratches detected. Makinis na unit. Kung hindi pa nababiyahe ito sa NCR, wala pang RFID. Makinis, guys, oh. Walang declared, no? Scratches on bumper and fenders lang. Asan na? Wala nga tayong makita, eh. Sobrang honest lang minsan ni security bank. Bumpers, wala, eh. Pwede sa maselan. Fenders, hindi rin ganun ka-visible. Pwede sa maselan. Very nice unit, guys. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS 1.5G 2-wheel drive automatic transmission. Scratches on bumper and fender, light scratches lang yun. Graphite gray metallic color, 19,363 mileage, non-NCR. Gas 643,200. Minimum bid price. Okay, ayan. Ito, ang ganda talaga ng gulong nito. BF Goodrich ba naman? KO2. Yan yung mga luxury sa buhay. Kahit may pambili ka, parang ayaw mo dahil talagang luxury yung ganyang gulong. Although grabe naman rin ang tibay niyan. Tibay, ang kapal, very reliable sa climate ng Philippines. SUV uli. Pwede naman, bilihan nyo na lang to ng all-terrain na KO2. This is a Mitsubishi Montero 2024 Sport GLX 2.4 liter 2-wheel drive manual transmission, dents and scratches on body, bumper and fenders, white diamond color, 41,843 mileage. NCR registered na diesel engine, 732,060 minimum bid price from 1.5 million na. Brand new nitong mga SUV kahit manual transmission. Ayan, mga scratches here. Hindi siya scratch guys, para siyang ano, ang na-scratch yung sticker, yung film ano niya, yung body tint niya, ayan no, na peel off. So wala siyang scratch guys. Chrome door handles, unang langhap, mabango, no signs of flooding. Ganda nung kanyang ano, manibela, may plastic pa infotainment system. Malinis, makinis na unit guys. Film tint coating lang tong nag-peel off, hindi siya gas-gas. Pero posibleng na tamaan yan, at least yung film ang unang na peel off. Ayan o, pati dito, parehong pareho. Actually, hindi siya peel off pala eh. Parang nagkaroon lang siya ng mga ano, alikabok. Kaya nagmarka yung mga cutouts nung film cover niya. Yan, manual transmission, mayroong mini roof rail. Pogi, machong macho ka dito. No signs of soil stains guys, no signs of major bangga and scratches. Third row seats, second row seats, third row seats, maayos. 4-eyed sensors, rear cams, all you need. Rear wipers, papogi na shark fin, antenna na naman. Last look. This is a Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2024 white diamond color GLX 2.4 2-wheel drive manual transmission, 41,000 mileage. NCR registered na diesel engine, 732,060 pesos minimum bid price. Good luck sa mga 7-seaters and SUV unit bidders. Kompleto mga hinahanap nyo may manual, may automatic, may super pogi. Grabe talaga ang pogi nitong ano, Ford Everest ngayon no. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa, wala ka nang idadagdag sa kanya. Balikan uli natin. Talaga ako ma-satisfy sa ganda ng gulong na to. Every man's dream tire. BF Goodrich all-terrain. Pickups na up for bid this week. This is Nissan Navara. Details, eto na po. This is a 2025 oh. Bagong bago. Nissan Navara 2.5 VE calibre automatic transmission, 4x2, dents and scratches on right rear fender, right rear door, right front door, fender, brilliant silver color, 5,808 lang, low mileage, NCR registered, diesel engine, 926,500. Minimum bid price 1.8 million na to guys. Automatic na mga pick up, wala nang subsidy sa government. Ayun nga, may mga light scratches. Dunlop stock tires and mugs pa naman. Wala rin tong ano, step board. Chrome door handles, bagay naman yan sa silver or anything gray. Very basic ang loob, interiors modern na, touchscreen na infotainment system. No stains, no signs of stains in the interior, so meaning hindi siya binaha. Nissan Marilao ang kasa ng unit. Merong rear cams, Uy, 360 view na rin pala to. Aeroclass. Uy, aftermarket ang bedliner niya. Mas pogi ba to? At mas maganda. Pareho lang naman sa stock. Aesthetics, quality ng bedliner, I would say 9 out of 10 pa. Pang city driving lang to. Di nilaspag, hindi kinakargahan ng mga mabibigat, bakal, semento, kahoy, lupa. Taillights, check. Mukhang na tie rotation na, mas manipis tong mga gulong sa likod eh. Sa harap, makakapal pa. Hindi pala 360 view. Yun, makinis na unit. Light scratches lang. Honest declaration ng Security Bank. That's it. Hindi binaha na unit. Walang major bumps. Maayos ang pickup bed. Hindi kinargahan ng mabibigat at kung ano-ano mang construction materials. Kasi walang gas-gas eh. Kitang-kita natin yan. During our tour and visits dito sa stockyard. Last look. This is a 2025 Nissan Navara 2.5 calibre automatic transmission 4x2. Dents and scratches on right rear fender, right rear door, and front door fender. Brilliant silver, 5,808 mileage. NCR registered diesel engine, 926,500. Minimum bid price. Yan. Okay, tuloy tayo. 7-seaters, pampamilya. Nasasakyan ba ang gusto nyo? Ito. Tahan natin. Nissan Livina. Ito, 7-seater to guys. 2025, bagong bago. 1.5 VL automatic transmission, Onyx black color, 13,457 mileage, NCR registered gas engine. 688,500 minimum bid price. NCR registered na. NKT 6357, check. Low mileage lang to, 13,000. Gas engine. Gas-gas ba to? Ayun. May tama dito sa riwa. Parang sa stockyard. Medyo manipis na ang gulong. Bridgestone, stock tires and max pa yan. Around 80% thread life. Yung talaga unang numinipis guys, yung front set of tires. Chrome door handles. Kasi yan yung iniikot, maniobra, left turn, right turn. Samantala yung gulong sa likod, dire-diretso lang yan. 2-eyed sensors, rear cams, rear wipers. Walang scratch at bangga sa likod. Solid na mahabang antena. The longer, the better. Chrome linings for that premium look. Kapal ng tint. Di natin maaninag kung may soil stains, pero it seems wala naman kasi yung fog lamps, oh. Kita nyo naman, hindi siya, wala siyang haze or soil stains din. Nakikita doon pag binahay. Last look, this is a 7-seater Japanese car, pang pamilya, 2025 Nissan Livina 1.5 VL automatic transmissions, Onyx black color, 13,457 mileage, NCR registered na. Madali ipalipat sa pangalan ninyo. Gas engine, 688,500 minimum bid price. Tuloy-tuloy tayo, 7-seater pa. More pa, Tito Rich, ng mga 7-seater pang pamilya. Marami kaming maisasakay dahil ayaw pa rin bumaba ng gas. Ito pang maramihan, 5112. 5112, checking the details on my list. 5112 is a 2023 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5L. Uy, top variant pala to. 2-wheel drive, automatic transmission, dents on rear fender and trunk lid. Graphite gray metallic, 52,347 mileage, gas engine, 603,400 minimum bid price from 1.3 million. Expander Cross yan. Minimum retail price. Fog lamps. Ano ba itong mga talsik-talsik? Pintura ba to? Ayun, nabubura naman. RFID. Flat ang gulong pero makapal pa naman. Around 80% tread life pa yan. Ang ganda ng leather seats. Ewan ko lang kung sira itong window. Infotainment system. May plastic pa ang hood. I-crack lang yung isang acidic siguro ang pawis ng first driver. Ayun ang honest issue, guys. Yan ang pinapakita natin during our weekly episodes. Yan, quarter panel pala to. Malalim-lalim ang isa-suction ni Manong Latero. Pati rear bumper kumpleto, dalawang camera, rear wipers, shark fin antenna. Yun lang, malalim na sungki. Isa-suction ni Manong Latero. Latang-lata pa naman. Pa-suction nyo yan, guys, yung mga ganyan. May napanood akong ganyan, minasilya. Ang lalim. Ang pangit. Light scratches. Fenders, chrome door handles, push button yan, guys. Top variant to, expander cross. Meron siyang roof rail, rain visors. Yan, fenders. Expander cross. Left side niya, pogi. Yung right side niya, ang mayroong bangga. Rear bumpers. Let's take a last look. Ito yung Mitsubishi Expander Cross na 2023. 1.5 two-wheel drive automatic transmissions, dents on rear fender and trunk lid, graphite gray metallic, 52,000 mileage, NCR registered gas engine, 603,410 minimum bid price from 1.3 million, brand new price. More 7-seaters ba ang gusto nyo? Sige. Ang init Magpakasawa na tayo sa sikat ng araw dahil ilang linggo na lang magiging tag-ulan na. Up next, another 7-seater Japanese car up for bid this week. This is 3906. 3906 is a 2025. Uy, bago pala to. Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G, two-wheel drive automatic transmission, damage back door and rear bumpers, quartz white pearl with two-tone black roof color, 35,757 mileage, NCR registered gas engine, 640,000 minimum bid price. Mura na rin, no? Ang nipis ng gulong, around 60% tread life. Non-NCR registered dito, guys. Fog lamps check. RFIDs check. Chrome door handle, push button. Top variant. Expander cross yan. May roof rail. Fenders na pampapogi and for that sporty look. Rear wiper, shark fin antenna. High quality na rear cams. Saan yung damage sa trunk? Anong light scratch lang naman to. Wala naman damage. Wala hindi visible on my end. So walang damage, guys. Pwede sa masela, hindi nga napansin ni Tito Rich. 3906 is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5L. Two-wheel drive automatic scratches on body, bumper and fenders. Yun lang, bumper and fenders lang naman pala. Scratches. Halos unnoticeable nga eh. Light scratches lang talaga. Green bronze metallic 3906, 23,826 mileage, non-NCR registered gas engine, 703,010 pesos Minimum bid price. Ayan, 3906. Tama. Up next, itong most sought after. Poging-pogi. Quartz white pearl color 2680. Is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G two-wheel drive automatic transmission, damage back door and rear bumper. Ito pala yung may back door damage and rear bumper. Quartz white pearl color, two-tone black roof, 35,000 mileage. NCR registered gas engine, 640,000 minimum bid price. Ito pala yun guys, sorry na pagpalit ko. Tingnan nyo na lang yung details on your screen. Yan yung accurate na detail kasi double check ko yan before I post this video. Ayun nga light scratches lang naman. Dali yan ipa-retouch, ipa-repaint kay Manong Pintor. 2 RFIDs, chrome door handles, push button. Ang kapal ng tint, di natin maaninag pero kung hindi dineclared na dead battery or towed unit, hindi to binaha. Guys, yun ang lalim. And kinakalawan na. And na-detach na rin siya, hindi na siya aligned. Ayun din, may bangga nga dito guys. Very honest and accurate declaration ni Security Bank. Very good. These are the banks we commend and we like. Dapat ganyan ang mga bangko guys. Honest. Di tulad nung iba. Ayaw ipapicturan, ayaw pa-videohan. Gusto naman nilang ibenta. Ayaw nilang makita yung mga natatago nila na mga issues na hindi nila dinideclare. Panlaban nila, what is as is nga daw. Pero syempre bilang buyers, di ba? We tend to go for yung ka-deal natin na honest at talagang i-declare kung ano naman talaga ang issue, di ba? Di na naman natin ina-expect na perfect yung unit lagi. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross 1.5G two-wheel drive automatic transmission, damage back door and rear bumper. Pinakita natin yan sa inyo kanina. Quartz white pearl color, two-tone black roof, 35,757 mileage. NCR registered gas engine, 640,000 pesos na lang minimum bid price from 1.3 million yan guys. Expander Cross yan guys. Good luck sa mga pamilya na magbibid. More units up for bid this week. Itong very futuristic at napaka-pogi na Mitsubishi X-Force. This is a Mitsubishi X-Force GLS 2025. Lilipad na naman tayo ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin. 1.5G two-wheel drive. Yan. Automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors Financing Philippines. Galing ang unit. Doon na repossessed. Doon hiningian ng loan. Quartz white pearl color with black roof. Two-tone ito. 11,424 mileage. NCR registered na gas engine. 736,000 minimum bid price. Yan. 11 taw lang mileage, no? Hankook stock tires and mugs pa ito, guys. Around 90% red life pa yan. Laki rin pala. Makinis ang left side panels. Light scratches, front bumper. Pogi rin pala nitong Hankook na tires. Two-tone yan, no? May RFID na. Push button, door handles. Rear camera na high definition. Rear wiper, shark's fin antenna. Cute lang. Sa rear, walang scratches eh. Walang bangga. Napakakinis na unit guys. Ba't kaya na-repossess to? Unang langhap sa loob. Oh, ang bango. Amoy bago. Canvas material ang seats. Ang laki ng infotainment system, guys. So I think that's 18-inch or 15-inch infotainment system. Very poggy unit, mabango. No signs na binaha, wala ring mga stains. Kapal pa ng gulong. Very futuristic. Most sought after color din to. Ayan o, 11,424 ang mileage. Gandang unit nito. Swerte ang mananalo nito. Actually may nag-check nito kaninang viewer natin. Shout out sa'yo, sir, kung nanonood ka man today. Sorry, hindi tayo nakapagkwentuhan dahil marami tayong iniikot pareho. Meetingin din si sir. Units at ang ganda ng kanyang sasakyan. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force GLS 1.5G 2-wheel drive automatic transmission. Mitsubishi Motors Financing Philippines. Acquired ang unit. Quartz white pearl with black roof, 11,424 mileage, and CR registered na. Gas engine 736,000. Minimum bid from almost 1M. Brand new price. Around 30%. Less than the brand new price. Wala namang mileage, wala ring issues. Perfect na perfect sa mga budget conscious nating viewers. Yun, daanan lang natin guys itong utility van up for bid this week. Suzuki Carry. This is a Suzuki Carry, guys, 2025 cargo GMC manual transmission, white color, 3,380 lang mileage, oh. Non-NCR registered. Gas engine ba talaga to? Sige, i-verify ko to. 339,200 lang minimum bid price. Meron na kayong container van or cargo van. Yan, Japanese engine yan guys, Suzuki yan. Kapal pa ng gulong, oh. Steel rims lang yan. SPLT5 na Dunlop. Around 95% tread life pa yan. Dito lang yung lagayan ng gas, no? Pakasip-sip yan. Yan. Solid na solid, oh, yung stainless niya na cargo compartment. A permanent plate na. Yan, yung mga nag-uumpisa magnegosyo or merong business na kailangan ng closed van, Japanese engine. This is a 2025, bagong-bago to guys, Suzuki Carry Cargo. Manual transmission, white color, 3,380 mileage, non-NCR registered. 339,200 pesos minimum bid price. Tuloy-tuloy pa tayo dito. Ito na ba yung Triton? May Triton na up for bid this week kasi guys, verify ko lang ang kanyang conduction plate. Is a 422 600 422 600. Di yan. Flash ko na lang on your screens pag hindi natin nakita yung isang Triton. Be flashing that on your screens. as well as yung mga Mitsubishi L300 vans na for bidding din this week. NKG N546, yan. Flash ko na lang on your screens ang details, guys. $8,546. Flash ko na lang lahat ng mga L300 vans na for bidding this week, as well as yung mga Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na for bidding this week. Ayan guys, flashing on your screens. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na for bidding this week. Details, mileage, issues, if any. Are being flashed on your screens. And the minimum bid price. Uy, daming Toyota Innova. Parang 3 na yung nakita ko. Abangan natin yan in the upcoming weeks. Habang tayo nag-iikot, diba? Marami tayong nakikita. Pwede nating abangan yan guys in the upcoming weeks. Wait lang kayo. I-feature ko yan. Papabid din nila yan guys. Uy, Toyota Fortuner. Abangan natin yan in the upcoming weeks. Ito pa yung ibang Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bid. Flash ko na lang ang details on your screens guys. 486. Yan, flash ko na lang on your screens. Mga Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bidding this week. Daming GLS na white. Bentang mabenta yan eh. Yan, flash on your screens. Marami kasi. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 na up for bidding this week. 6644. Meron ba to? Ayun, ito. This is up for bid this week, guys. This is a 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage GLX 1.2 liter gas engine. Ito yung hatchback. CVT, automatic transmission, titanium gray metallic, 11,169 mileage. Non-NCR registered gas engine, 315,400 na lang minimum bid price. RFID, San Pablo, Laguna registered na unit. Bezel lang. Black ang kanyang mags, Yokohama stock tires and mags. Hatchback to guys, pero yan ang antenna na gusto natin, yung mahaba. Sa likod, baby on board. Uy, mukhang sinakay si baby. May libre ka ng rear cams, rear wipers, spoilers, light scratches, rear bumper. Pwede na to guys sa mga nag-uumpisang pamilya, yung isa pa lang or dalawang anak. Lala ko nung first car ko as a family man, ito yung una kong binili na nasasakyan. Kasyang-kasya kami. Pero nung lumaki na ang mga anak, syempre, pa-upgrade ka na rin ng pa-upgrade. At dapat pa-upgrade na rin ang iyong sources of income. Last look, one of the Mitsubishi Mirage units within the 300,000 range. Minimum bid price lang to. Habang ang hangin ay palakas ng palakas dito. This is 2024 guys, Mitsubishi Mirage GLX 1.2 liter gas CVT automatic transmission, titanium gray metallic color, 11,169 mileage, non-NCR registered gas engine, 315,400 minimum bid price. Yan, at ito pa. Ito yata yung dalawang reefer van na may cool air, may cooling system to na van eh. Ito yata yung up for bid this week. Isuzu. Check ko lang guys para hindi tayo magkamali. Dalawa to eh. Yan o, dalawang nasa first page ng website list guys. Check ko lang yung conduction nito, RL342A. RL342A. Yes, this is the 2025 bagong bago Isuzu QLR 77E VL20 Euro 4 cab, 11-footer aluminum van, manual transmission, cracked windshield, dents and scratches, Arctic white color, 6,706 mileage, non-NCR registered, diesel engine, 812,000 na lang minimum bid price. Nasa 1.3 to 1.5 million ang brand new nito guys. Pero parang brand new condition din to eh. 2025 eh. Crack windshield. Yun lang ang major issue niya. Saan na kayong crack? Ah, yun guys. Crack. Palit windshield. Mga 8 to 10,000 pesos. Yan, 11-footer pala yan, no? Kita Agritech Corporation. Ayan, no? Reefer van yan, guys. May cooling system. Pasok yan sa standards ng mga company na nagpapadeliver ng mga frozen item at chilled products. I-adjust nyo lang yan. Mas mahal pati ang delivery fee pag ganyan. Pwede rin namang wag nyong gamitin. Mas dual purpose pa yan. Low mileage lang oh. Yun ang declared issue lang guys. Windshield crack, dents and scratches. This is an 11-footer van. Yan lang yung issue. Dents and scratches, wala, very minor, negligible. Gulong super kapal. This is a Goodyear HMG 2020 guys oh. I would say 99% red life pa. Parang hindi natibag. Ayan, 11-footer. Haba. Reefer van yan guys. May cooling system sa loob. Cool air consolidated. Ayan. Isuzu Makati. Isuzu Santa Rosa Gen Cars yung kanyang reefer van unit pinagawa. Ganda, may fenders pa oh. Yun lang, ba't kaya nag-crack tong windshield? Siguro tumama sa ano niya. Parang tumama sa isa ring van eh, no? Yan, very nice unit guys. Yun yung reefer van niya oh, sa taas. Para makita nyo yung haba ng 11-footer van. Yun, last look. This is a 2025 bagong-bago na van, Isuzu QLR 77E VL20 Euro 4 cab with 11-footer aluminum van. Reefer van yan guys, oh. CCI 300 na cool air, pampalamig. Arctic white color, 6,706 mileage, non-NCR registered. Diesel engine, 812,000 minimum bid price. Parang bumili ka ng almost brand new na Mitsubishi L300, pero Isuzu na at may reefer van, cooling system na yan, cool air pa. Ito yung isa, walang issue. So ang mga windshield nito guys, nasa 8 to 10,000. Kay Aguila Glass. Ito yung walang issue. Medyo mahal nga lang. This is a 2025 also. Kabatchmate niya to. Isuzu QLR 77E VL20 Euro 4 cab. Aircon with 11-footer manual transmission. Arctic white color pa rin. 9,395 mileage, non-NCR registered. Diesel engine, 1.2 million minimum bid price. Layo, di ba? So ipapagawa mo na lang yung windshield, oh. 8 to 10,000. Ewan ko lang yung ganito kalaki, baka abutin ng 15. Pero usually yung mga sedan, sure ako dyan, mga 8 to 10,000 yan na windshield. Yung ganito, baka doblehin nyo yung 8 kasi parang doble siya, malaki eh. Ito yung walang issue guys, yung isa lang kanina. 2 RFIDs, isa kanina, yun yung issue eh. Ayun. Basag yung windshield. So kung dodoblehin yung 8 or 10,000, so mga 16 to 20,000. Bagong windshield versus itong isa naman, 1.2 million, di ba? So doon na ako sa basag ang windshield lang. Kaya ko na ipa-repair yun. Last look, dalawa sila. Sulit na sulit. Mas sulit itong number 5 sa list. Pero itong nasa screen ninyo ngayon ay ang 2025 Isuzu QLR 77E VL20 Euro 4 cab with aircon, 11-footer manual transmission, Arctic white, 9,395 mileage. Non-NCR registered, diesel engine, 1,200,000 pesos minimum bid price. Not sure kung 1.5, 1.8 up to 2 million yung ganito eh, kasi mayroon pang reefer van and cooling system eh. So I would say aabot ng 2 million ito overall pinagawa at binili, in-acquire ni first owner. Kaya lang sayang na repossessed. So ayan, Agritech Corporation, parang cooperative to eh, no? So probably it did not work for them, pero sayang. Kaya ito, we are the ones who will benefit from this repossessed unit. Dalawa yan, isang 812,000 minimum bid price, yun yung nasa likod. Then ito, 1.2 million. Walang kagalos-galos, walang ka-issue-issue. 9,000 mileage lang, sisiw yan, kay Isuzu diesel na engine. May reefer van ka na, oh. Katuparan ng iyong mga pangarap. Good luck sa mga bidders and business owners. Hanggang sa susunod mong paghahanap ng pinapangarap mong sasakyan, yung swak sa budget, pasado sa misis at hindi ka ititirik, kita-kits uli sa ating weekly tagpuan sa susunod na stockyard showroom o kung saan mang gulong na umiikot, makinang umaandar at pag-asang hindi pa naka-check engine. God bless.